I was looking at making a paper on bioeconomy, and I was looking on the internet, and I just got this news that Japan was going to launch wooden satellites, and they call it lignosats.
Wait, what?
And the idea was to show the capacity of wood as being a very resistant and multiple-use material. And at the same time, when the satellite will end its life, it will go down to the atmosphere and burn, and there will be no debris. So that was quite surprising. People don't know, I mean, people see wood as a plank, but you can almost produce an infinite number of various products from wood. I mean, when you separate cellulose and lignin, you can produce things with lignin, you can produce things with cellulose, like clothes. Of course, I mean, you can use wood as a material, but also you have very high-tech wood. I mean, they even managed to make some transparent wood that you can use to make windows. So it's quite a very versatile material, and the satellite story is more like an illustration of something that you don't expect to be done by wood, but it's probably a sign also of this whole idea of the bioeconomy. So how can we replace non-renewable material like steel or concrete or anything else by renewable material like wood or other natural products? Well, we are seeing an increase in the use of wood for replacing cotton, like a cellulosic material, and that's a big emerging market. I mean, it's worth several $1 billion are likely to increase. Other market in terms of bioenergy, biomass energy. So all these are markets that existed before, but now emerging because of this target by many countries to move to a bioeconomy. Indigenous people and local community play a critical role because they control a vast amount of land as indigenous land or community forest or other type of land. And on this land there is a significant amount of wood, and also the way it is managed and the way it has been managed for a long time makes it more sustainable than a lot of the things that we are doing outside of indigenous people or community land. And so it will be very difficult to achieve what we want to achieve in terms of bioeconomy without the full participation of local community and indigenous people. I'm not sure if the future will be made of wood, but I'm quite convinced that a great part of the thing we will have in the coming years will come from naturally sourced renewable products, and wood is one of these, but there are many other things that will be part of the bioeconomy. And then we should also make sure that our bioeconomy is circular. That means that we recycle. Because if we don't recycle, things are going not to happen the way we want them to happen.